Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn simple English conversation. Yes, this video is for beginners, so don't skip the video. Watch till the end.
Mom and daughter conversation. Mom and daughter conversation.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, Mom.
How did you sleep?
I slept very well.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Very good. Early morning is healthy.
Yes, Mom, you always say that.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want bread and milk.
Do you like eggs?
Yes, Mom, but only boiled eggs.
Healthy food makes you strong.
I want to be strong and smart.
Then eat well and study daily. Do you have school today?
Yes, Mom, I have school.
What subjects do you like?
I like English and science.
Why do you like English?
Because English helps me talk to people.
Very good. English is very important.
Mom, please help me practice English.
Of course. We will practice every day. How much time do you use your phone?
Only 1 hour, Mom.
Too much mobile is not good.
Yes, Mom, I understand.
Read books and speak English instead.
That is a good idea.
How was your day?
My day was very good.
What did you learn today?
I learned new English words.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Never stop learning.
I promise, Mom. Friends, practice English daily. Speak English without fear. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.